Stay awesome!
Stay awesome!
Okay.
Awesome!
Stay awesome!
Gotta stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome.
Stay awesome!
Gotta stay awesome.
Okay, Mum's just got a Christmas
Stay
present.
awesome.
Oh, awesome.
Gotta stay awesome.
Stay awesome.
Gotta stay awesome.
Look at that, Tracy Keller painting. That's a present. And there's Colleen being COVID safe. Good on you, Colleen. Hey. There's Jamie.
Stay you. Stay awesome.
This week we have a bit of a mixed bag for you with a lot of laughs. But we start with,
Stay awesome.
a little bit of a jocularity, and we go on to a kitchen build where the kitchen bench top is made with an undermount sink, and we'll show you how to do that, and a little bit of plumbing and a few other little extras along the way that include the cedar cladding of the semi-bulkhead in the front of the Renault Master. We move on to the introduction of a new little dog for the Renault Master. One that really just typifies the advantage of having this type of dog in hot conditions. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a good laugh and stay awesome. Okay, I'm walking down. Oh, watch out, Molly. Watch out, Molly. You don't want to trip you over. No. Go down the stairs with you. There you go. Okay, stay awesome, Mum.
Stay awesome, Gary.
Okay, let's have a look down here. Let's see how my work today has completed. I've made this cabinet for the sink. 360 degree look around. It's a drop down sink, so I've put the sink underneath so that I can have more room and get a bigger sink inside the van. This lip here goes against where the bed is, and this side here, that will be polished up a bit more. I've got to do a little bit of painting, but that'll end up, that's the side where you walk in. Anyway, got to decide where to put the tap next, but it's all looking great. Renault Master's waiting for it.
I don't know what I'm going to see this time. This one's a surprise, so we'll wait and see, eh?
Yeah, we'll see when.
There's no beer in the fridge, though.
No beer yet, Gazza. I booked it in to get some solar connected up.
Oh, right.
Right after that. But I got a new addition in there, Gaz.
What's that?
I'll show you.
Oh, here we go.
There you go. Here we go. Open the door. You ready? Have a look. Walk in. You can come in. Even though there's no smoking allowed, you can come in. Oh, look at that. He put his cigarette down on the ground.
Oh,
Look, a little pet. I got a little pet.
Oh.
Little silver tail. Oh, look at that. See, every vanlifer has to have a dog. So this one here is heat resistant, no vet fees, really economical to run. It loves PAL.
And Gary, what's his name?
Silvertail.
Silvertail.
Yeah, can you see? He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. So that's his name, Silvertail. You like that?
He's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, beautiful.
Very,
I got some news for you, Gazza.
Yeah.
She's beautiful.
She's beautiful. Knowing that.
Hey, guess what?
Alright.
Next we prepare the bench top for the undermount sink. I'm going to make a template. So there we go, I've scribed around the edge
Just using a bulldog clip as my guide, finger on the end of the black part there, and then just the pen inside the loop all the way around. Gave me an even cut to work with. I'm going to cut that out now with scissors, and that'll be my template for the sink. So there we go. So there's the template for the sink, finished. And to give you an idea what I've been trying to do, there's the sink. Got that in. So that's going to be the hot size of the hole in pink, and everything will just scrape in. The gap here will be the timber, and just when you've got something on the bench, just wipe it into there. And yeah, there's two reasons to do it. One's a structural reason, the other one is the fact you can still have a big sink and not use such a wide kitchen top. So it's just a bit of a win-win there, just a different way to look at it. And yeah, otherwise you have to have a wider bench, more room. You're only in a van, you're not in a home. So anyway, that's the plan. So here we have under the sink, all sealed and ready. We're going to do the top and the bottom. Cut the jigsaw hole out from the template. You can use a power saw and a jigsaw, but just a jigsaw I used. There's the undermount sink. Just need a few washers, a few screws, and then mount that underneath the actual sink, the bench. There's the bench top looking, taking shape. That's how it's all going to be. You scrape all your food in from the top or whatever. And being undermount, that's one of the advantages. Yeah, another coat of clear coat over the top really enhances the grain of the wood, as you can see. And there we go, it's a vent there beside this for the fridge, because if these compressor fridges don't get airflow, you get noise, and that's the last thing you want in the van, because you want to try and sleep. There we have the fridge underneath, and I use the bench top for the entrance side there, so that I could get the right height for the fridge and make a pretty classy looking bench to contain the fridge, and the riser for the electricals. It runs behind there, and so there you go. There's a completed kitchen outside, and just got to put it back in, resize it, drill a hole for the waste water, and there I did 2 pilot holes, because the first one I didn't like where it ended up underneath. The metal was a bit thicker than expected. $59 bargain from Bunnings as the tap, and have a look at this thing shine. It's one of the ones you can pull out, so it's got a little weight underneath it, and yeah, you just pull it out, and there's the system underneath, and just needs to be plumbed up, but that's going to work really well, and it was very economical. So was the sink itself. I picked that up as a another bargain bin for about $30, I think. There's the undermount sink. There's the semi-bulkhead clad with the cedar, the same as the ceiling. Oh, there's Silvertail. There's the artwork. We had a little video on that, Tracy Keller paintings. Well, that's my next Tracy Keller artwork to put on the other door. I hate doing this. I feel like a vandal. I really love the painting, but as you know, I've already put Noah's Ark up on the back of the Renault Master, and this, well, I think it's a chook, or a, what do you call a male chook? Rooster? Someone else called it something else, but I'm not using that word. Anyway, let's see. I'll decide whether or not it belongs in the back, but it does, but oh gee, it's so nice. It's so nice.
Stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, my name is Gary, and I'm the man with the freaking van. got to stay awesome.